Hello, I'm Prajwal from Pristyn Automations. Before I can start talking about the product, I'll tell you how we started the whole story. So way back 2-3 years back when we went down south of Tamil Nadu in Tirunelveli, we realized that there were lots of solar panels, but the scarcity of water was very acute and the cost for solar cleaning was very high. That's when we came back and we brainstormed with a team of mechanical engineers and electrical engineers. We regrouped and we realized that we could do something very helpful in this sector. That's where we first imagined the idea of solar automation robot cleaners, and very importantly without any water usage. So welcome to Pristyn. We have solar automated robot cleaners without using a single drop of water, completely renewable and completely pest and nets class. So this is about Pristyn, and let me tell you the different products we have. In Dustit, one of our major products, we have Avion, Garud and Wipe. And here you see, this is the solar wipe, a patented technology by our company, which is the only handheld solar robot system which is completely helpful. Firstly, I thank Crescent Innovation Incubation Council for providing such a huge space, helping us get various funding and grants into our company like SISFS, IVP through EDI and many others. Thank you.